how to send stickers on cake. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send stickers on cake. So the first step is to launch the cake app, and then once you're on the cake app you'll be brought automatically to the main chat list. So the next step will be for you to tap the chat you want to send a sticker in. So once you're in the chat page, next step is move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons. Locate the sticker icon and then click on it. But before you can send the sticker, ensure that you have gotten stickers already. So once you have enough stickers, swap through your sticker packs in the box display and tap on the sticker you want to send, and then the sticker will immediately appear in the chat. But if you do not have stickers, click on the plus icon in order for you to purchase stickers from the sticker shop, or you can endeavor to save stickers from your friends that might have sent it to you during one time or the other while chatting. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.